Hi, I'm Ray. Today we're going to grow some marigolds, and we've got here tomatoes growing secret marigolds. Grow alongside tomatoes to repel troublesome whitefly. It says you'll even see your tomato plants grow better and bear more fruit with the marigolds around them. So these can be sown February, March, April indoors, or planted outside March, April, and then we'll harvest from July right through to September. So we're looking forward to growing some marigolds, and this is what we're going to do. So for my compost, I'm just using regular compost, and I am going to shove it through a mushroom tray and use this as my sieve, so we can just sieve out all the big bits, as we don't need those. There we go, look at the chunks. We don't need those, and we're left with finer compost. Those can go under that for another day. So today we're growing the marigolds, and we're just using a small flower pot just to get a few undergo. And we're filling our pot up, firming it down, and then we're going to give our pot a bit of a water, like so. Then we have a look at our marigold seeds. Improves the crops and banish whitefly. So I have got a video on my channel how to save the marigold seeds, so check that out. And there we go, we have a look at the seeds. This says we've got 40 seeds, so we only want a few for today's growing. And if you have a look, they're black ended with a little brown tip on the end. So all I'm going to do is take 4, 5 of these, place them space around the pot. A few more there, one more in the corner. There we go. We empty the rest back in the pot, do it over the pot just in case there's any spillage. We put this back into the packet so we know where we are, and we're just going to get some vermiculite, but we can just do this with normal multi-purpose compost, and we just sprinkle it over the top. With the vermiculite. But normal multi-purpose compost will just do, as long as there's no chunks, bumps, any twigs. That would be great. And then we're just going to give it another tap of the water just to wetten the vermiculite on top, and the seeds will go through quite easy on the vermiculite. And all we need is a sign, pencil and a plastic label, and there we go. And that's going to go on the windowsill above the radiator, give it a bit of heat. So seedlings should appear around 7 to 21 days and do not exclude any light. So transplant seedlings when large enough to handle into trays of 3-inch pots. Grow into cooler conditions for 10 to 15 days before planting out, after all risk of frost. Plant out 8 to 10 inches apart, and that'll add a great colour to the garden. So thank you for watching, and have you grown marigolds? do you add your marigolds to your tomatoes? Last year we grew dwarf marigolds and they ended up 6 foot tall, taller than the polytunnel. So hopefully these are a dwarf one this time and we're not going to have the problem of last year's saved seeds. So check out my video of saving seeds for marigolds, and if you're new to my channel then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much, cheers.